I've lost 55 pounds. I've got, some fat around belly, but not a single stretch mark. That is because of the micronutrients, the organic vegetables, fruits that I eat every day. One good thing about being a chef is you can make any food tasty, but the thing is, can you make your food healthy? Hello, namaste, salam alaikum, sat sri akal. Welcome back to another session with your Wow Chef. Today we're going to make super bowl, protein rich chaat for vegetarians. To make this protein rich, I am taken 7 variety of dals. First I soaked it overnight and then just for 1 whistle in a pressure cooker, just boil so that the husk, everything remains intact, but they are cooked from inside. Any food you want the best out of it, do not overcook it. So 1 whistle, that's perfect. In this, I have got Masoor dal, I have got 2 varieties of chana dal, green and brown, and also I have got 2 kinds of peas, green pea and white pea, moong, peanuts. So totally I have got 7 the powerhouse dals, and just look at them, they are just nice boiled. I use variety of salts. Today I am going for pink salt. 7 variety of dals, 7 variety of vegetables. Add chopped tomato, chopped cucumber, chopped onion, chopped green chillies. I have boiled some potatoes, chopped coriander, and squeeze in some lemon juice. Fresh berries, chopped ripe mango, some pomegranate seeds. The sweetness and the sourness from the fruits is not enough. I want to add some sweetness from dates. These are chopped dates, dry fruits and nuts. This is almonds. I am not eating this as a salad. This is my complete meal. I have used 7 variety of dals because protein source from one plant is never enough. To make it perfect, we added 7 different dals, and also we added good amount of vegetables to get the right kind of fiber we need, and to give that sweetness we added 3 variety of fruits, and also I have added dates chopped so that gives the sweetness. The sourness from the lime juice and the mango also will give that brightness. Now more fiber with soaked chia seeds. You can make it like a pudding by soaking in the milk, or just you can drop in some chia seeds. But this jelly like texture when you eat, it kind of gives a satisfaction to your tummy. If you want, you can also add some crushed pepper, very little. I am going to divide this into 2 portions, one for me, one for Power Chef Pranav, and because we have another dish going on for today's shoot. So this is going to be the super bowl with protein rich dals. In my chaat, I love yogurt. So this is my seasoned yogurt. So I'm just going to pour some seasoned yogurt. People who want to lose weight, make this one full bowl, one meal, because this has got all the nutrients that you need. You got almost 30% protein from the dals, and rest most of it is carbohydrates. The vegetables has good amount of vitamins, the macronutrients, everything in this so perfect. The fruits, the vegetables give that extra micronutrients, the vitamins, the minerals we talk about. You have seen that I have used pink salt, which has got another special micronutrients that you will need. And people who are BMI more than 25, don't talk about fat, because till you reach 25 BMI, avoid fats as much as possible. The reason why I say don't think about fats, because there is fat in the yogurt I added, in the nuts I added, in all the dals, everywhere there is a very small percentage of fat, which is more than enough. So stop thinking of fat till you are at 25 BMI. So with good amount of carbs that you need for energy, for the body repair and other things, you need the proteins, the essential micronutrients. And let me tell you, I have lost 55 pounds. I have got some fat around belly, but not a single stretch mark. That is because of the micronutrients, the organic vegetables, fruits that I eat every day. The reason I soak the dal overnight is, when you soak these dals overnight, you will lose the power of blowing a balloon with your gases. So if you are having gastric issues, make sure you soak the dal at least for a couple of hours, cook it, then consume it. One good thing about being a chef is you can make any food tasty. But the thing is, can you make your food healthy?